All right, so thank you. Just want to do a quick video on just basic iPhone usage. So I kind of made a kind of a list. So basically, the first one is how to take a screenshot. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is hold the side button and then the volume up simultaneously, which if you can see it took a screenshot, and you can release both buttons quickly. So the screenshot will be captured and you can find that image in your gallery. How to use Siri is the same thing. You press and hold the side button. If you Alrighty, so you can ask your questions. How to customize Control Center. So Control Center is where you actually, if you want to, let's say, add screen recorder or whatever you want to do, you can actually go to your settings. A lot of these options, you can go to settings. So if you go to settings, you can actually find the Control Center. This is the main settings if you want to go to. So if you go to Control Center, it shows you all the applications. Okay, right now I have included controls. Whenever you include a control, it actually shows right here, like my screen recording. If you want to add anything, you see the green plus signs, you can actually press the plus sign and add it. So if you plus sign right here, it just added the sound recognition as well. So it's pretty easy. All right, next one is how to enable larger text, I believe. So if you go to settings for that one, you can go to settings, I believe it's in general, and let's go to settings and yes, display and brightness. So that should show you your text size, and then you can add right here, you can add and increase text size. Okay, and that's pretty much how you increase your text size. How to create an alarm. So that's fairly easy. You go to your clock, you have options, go to alarm, you hit the plus sign, and you can choose whatever time you have it on. You can go repeat if you want to have it every week or whatever your preference is. You can label it. You can notate alarm or whatever you want to do. Change the sound, and if you wanted to snooze or not, you have that option as well. How to block a contact. That's fairly easy. If you want to go to your phone, let's say I want to block this person, and it actually shows you block this caller. So you can actually block this caller, and it will prompt you to block that contact. Okay, pretty easy. Again, how to check storage spaces. If you want to check storage space, again, all you have to do is go to your settings. I believe it's under general and iPhone storage. It shows you how much you're using, what applications and all that stuff that is using on it. So again, this is how you can see your storage usage and all that stuff, all that good stuff. How to update an app. That's fairly easy. So all you have to do is just go to App Store, click on it, and that should take you to your profile pretty much, and you can update your apps. The last one is how to enable do not disturb mode. So all you have to do again is swipe down from the top corner to open Control Center, and you can tap the crescent moon icon to enable do not disturb. So all you have to do is just hold that crescent, and then you should be able to have the do not disturb option as well. All right, thank you very much. If you have any questions, please feel free to note it. Again, I'm just doing a quick overview. I'm actually in tech support, so maybe an elderly person wants to know how to use this basic functions, or just a common iPhone usage.